graphics. I'm showing you guys my back to school promo templates. I had made a few months ago. It's been available for some time now, but I figured I never made a tutorial for it. So to get the ball rolling and get you guys introduced to the different tutorials and things, I'm making these videos. So let's just get straight into it. First thing you have is this read then delete this group. This is the HDR toning settings. If in the end you want your picture to have that flare, so you have your instructions and you have your settings, then you can delete it at the end, or take a screenshot or something, but keep this because it's going to add that volume to your post when you're done. So then we have the name your sell price, which is this guy here. All of the fonts, all of the links are included in the package folder. So you don't have to worry about that. Just install the font and it will be on your computer. So you can put $10, $100. If it gets to be like this, you're just going to make your font smaller so that you can see it. You're not going to make it too small, just smaller so that you can see it. Then you have type your website. This is where you're going to put your website, or say if you don't have a website, you can say something like Instagram at #tech or something like that, or like find us on Instagram or something like that. If you don't have a site to put in, but that's a way to keep your branding. All lash sets, so I don't recommend changing this one just because it's a pretty set ordeal. Like, you don't have to change it, but if you want to, you can. Okay, now let's get into the design group. You have your color theme, just in case you want to add some different things. You got the color theme. You've got design contents that I have locked. Please don't change that because that will change the whole design. We're not going to go through that one. Image 1, place your image, and it's just like this for 2 and 3. Okay, and then also you have your background content. So let's get into image 1. So originally I had it so that you can not change any of the pictures, but I figured, why would I do that? I should probably make it editable. So I did. So to change those, you're just going to double click this image here. This is going to open up. We're going to go into file, place. I'm just going to place any picture. It's not a lash picture. Just any picture so that it covers your circle, the size of the circle, and then you can turn that off or delete it. And then you're going to press X, press save. And then boom, your picture is in there, and it's like that for image 2 and image 3. Okay, once you're done with everything, you're going to turn this first layer back on, read through the instructions to set your picture. That's totally optional. You don't have to do HDR toning. Do it if you want to. I feel like it just, honestly, to me, it just adds that touch. And you have the settings is right here to make it look nice and sleek. And then you can export it by going to file, export as, and me personally, I just do PNG at the highest levels, but you can export it however you want to, JPEG, GIF, whatever. And yeah, that is that. This is now available on my website. Please sign up for notifications of savings, sales, and new assets that I will be publishing. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, bye.